I have bought the best business-related AI prompts that you can find on the internet for ChatGPT and Midjourney, and I'm gonna test them out so you don't have to. These prompts vary in prices from very cheap to quite expensive, and if you want to use them yourself, you better stay tuned because I've got quite a surprise for you. So we're gonna start off with a very interesting prompt for ChatGPT for $2.99 called quite literally Earn Money Now. It is described as turn your passions into profits with actionable suggestions tailored to your chosen topic. Discover specific and creative ways to earn money based on your interest and experience. Maximize your earnings, and a lot of other great keywords, so let's see if it actually works. So I'm gonna pick online tutoring niche to test out with this AI prompt, and based on the chosen niche, let's see what the AI can suggest. Okay, so ChatGPT says online tutoring and computer programming. Computer programming is not something that I've included in the prompt, but okay, information to take into account. Target audience, beginner to intermediate level learners interested in learning computer programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript. Okay, that makes sense. So the AI recommends establishing an online tutoring platform as well as creating a personal website. The competitive advantage that we're gonna have, it doesn't give us any competitive advantage. What unique value can it offer to the learners, meaning that we need to think about it ourselves and not the AI. Pricing set competitive yet profitable prices for tutoring services. Technology. Okay, so the first part isn't that helpful, to be honest. It just gives a brief idea over the business and what I need to consider. I mean, it's okay if I'm just a beginner, but if I have any sort of experience in the niche, that's probably self-explanatory at this point. Now, here are some ChatGPT prompts to help generate money through online tutoring in computer programming. And it gives us further 10 prompts that I can actually paste into ChatGPT to get a more detailed analysis of the business that I have chosen. And it's a good start, considering that it's only like $3, and I feel like it's a good deal. You can get a lot of research done using this ChatGPT prompt without actually having to go and research the market, even though I'd highly suggest you do that anyway. But in general, to get a good understanding of a business that you want to get into, especially if you're just a beginner and you want to research a new niche, I think this might be really helpful. So on a scale of 1 to 10 and how helpful it is, I'll rate it about a 6. So the next AI prompt that I have bought costs exactly $1 more. This one is $3.99 and it's a personal AI coach. If you're struggling to solve a problem, it can be helpful to brainstorm a list of potential solutions. This prompt can generate a list of 10 ideas for you to explore based on your given problem. This can be a helpful starting point in a number of ways, blah blah blah. Okay, basically I have a problem that we need a solution to. This AI coach can provide an idea of how to solve it. Let's say, since I'm making this video in the niche of business, the problem that I'm encountering is I'm not getting enough dropshipping sales, even though I have a good click-through ratio on my advertisements. And how might this AI coach help us solve the issue? Let's paste the prompt into ChatGPT. This one actually is quite long. Hit enter. Here are 10 additional solution ideas for the problem of not getting enough dropshipping sales, even with a good click-through rate, CTR, on your ads. Optimize product selection. Analyze your current product offerings and identify which ones are performing well. Improve product descriptions. Ensure that your product descriptions are clear, compelling, and informative. Offer discounts and promotions. Enhance user experience. Make sure your website is user-friendly and optimized for mobile devices. This is actually an important one, which is overlooked by many that I know. Utilize customer reviews and testimonials. Display positive reviews and testimonials from That's true, because reviews on a product page are actually very important in dropshipping, since many positive reviews help build, trust between you and the customer, therefore increasing your actual sales. Offer free shipping. Expand your marketing channels. Implement retargeting campaigns. Use retargeting ads to re-engage website visitors who didn't convert initially. Improve customer support, monitor and analyze this. This is actually really good. I'm quite surprised. This is genuinely the advice you often hear from the dropshipping gurus on the internet. And this is basically an AI prompt that generated 10 useful ideas. And based on the fact that you can use this AI prompt to generate solutions for problems in practically any spectrum of your life, this one is actually a 10 out of 10. I really like it. Also, the prompt is really, really long and I really like it. Yet it's getting more expensive. Another ChatGPT prompt that I bought is a hashtag marketing tool. This one is for $5, or $4.99 to be exact. The AI-powered hashtag generator is a cutting-edge tool for marketing campaigns. It's a powerful resource that creates personalized and highly relevant hashtags. Use it for various platforms including YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and more. Let's see. Let's AI generate the hashtags for this video that you're watching now. And if you're seeing this video in your recommendation, that means that this AI did a goddamn good of a job. And yes, we have a list of hashtags. If you liked it, don't forget to like our prompt. It helps a lot. Thanks. So that's integrated into ChatGPT. AI for business, artificial intelligence, business tech, AI, assistant writing, productivity boost, and a bunch, 30 hashtags. You know what? I'm copying these hashtags, and you're gonna see exactly these hashtags underneath this video. So let's see how they will do. And the last AI prompt that I bought for ChatGPT specifically is the YouTube Killer Generator for 10 bucks. Is it worth it being so expensive? Let's find out. The YouTube Killer Generator promises that it's a game-changing tool that can transform the way you create YouTube videos. With just a few clicks, you can effortlessly generate a captivating narrative, a catchy title, and an influential description for your video, all while boosting your content's reach and engagement with relevant tags. So this one actually, as I understand, has tags integrated. So basically it includes the AI that we just tested out previously. Let's see whether or not it's better. So in order to make this relevant, I'm actually going to use a potential video idea that I have to post on this channel in a bit. And I want to try learning to program, to code within 7 days. And I'm going to dedicate the entire 7 days, the entire day to learn how to program. And then by the end, I'm going to try to code a simple website or a simple program or a game or whatever I choose and see how much I can learn within the 7 days. If I'm going to give my all to it. So let's see what the AI generates. Title: Crack the Code, Learn Computer Coding in 7 days or Bust. Okay, I'm not sure about that one, if I'm actually gonna use this. Description: Hey there, techie savvy enthusiasts. Ever wondered if you could conquer the world of computer coding in just 7 days? Emoji. In this mind-blowing journey, I'm going to embark on an epic coding quest to master the basics of programming within a week. Kinda cringe, not gonna lie. First 30 seconds, intro scene. Welcome to Crack the Code, where I take on the ultimate challenge of learning computer coding from scratch and showcasing my progress every step of the way. Oh my god. This is not good. I mean, the hashtags are okay. I mean, if you want to generate ideas using this one, this might be okay, but I'm pretty sure you can get such an output from ChatGPT without actually paying for a prompt. I don't know, this one gets a 3 out of 10 in my books. I don't think it's really helpful. The hashtag generator is a good thing, it's pretty helpful, but considering the fact that we just had a prompt that gives us hashtags for only $5 and this one is literally double the price, I'm not sure if it's good enough. So, a 3 out of 10. A 3 out of 10 is my final decision. So let's move on to AI prompts for Midjourney, an AI that is not text-based like ChatGPT, but rather it generates really photorealistic and really good images based on the prompt that you give it. So let's see what type of prompts I can test out. So for $4, there's this AI prompt called the Vector Website Illustrations. This prompt with Midjourney can generate images such as these, which look absolutely amazing, especially if you're a website designer. And for example, you can sell these images on Fiverr easily. And from a business perspective, there's a bunch of Fiverr gigs that you can type in on Fiverr, like AI image generation, and there's a bunch of gigs which experienced artists that actually use AI to create images can sell such images for a profit to people who want to build websites and use great graphics. Using such a prompt, you don't have to have any experience in AI generation, and you can just input it into this $4 prompt and basically send the client such vector images. Let's actually try to recreate myself. So a boy sitting in front of the computer wearing a gray hoodie. So this is the image that the AI generated, and to be honest, compared to how the images were presented, that doesn't look at all of what was described. So let's just move on. So this one is a total failure. This one is a 1 out of 10. Let's try this one. For the same price, for $4, you can get wall art stock images. So basically wall art stock images. So the AI is gonna generate a realistic room with some poster or some painting on the wall, and you can basically then replace whatever is in the painting with your own image, and as such create, for example, a product image. For example, if you're selling posters, or if you're selling some graphics, or if you're an artist, you can create such a stock image for your own work to sell, for example, for your website. So let's see how good this is, if this is hopefully gonna turn out the way it is described. So let's say metallic frame, is gonna be the frame of the painting inside a winter garden. Why not? Let's give the AI a challenge. I'm pasting in the prompt and let's see what it gives us. Ooh, I like what's happening here. Damn. Okay, so the AI confused it a little bit, and the winter garden isn't where the thing is hanging, but the winter garden is actually what's drawn on the picture. But they do look realistic. Okay, I really like the third one. So let's upscale the third one.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the AI doesn't want to upscale this in time, and I don't want to sit and wait here for 10 minutes. So based on this image, I can already say that the images that you can generate with this prompt are quite well and quite good. Let's hope the AI is not going to glitch out for the next prompt. So for the same amount of price, once again, $4, you can get modern black and white logos, and the promised images are like this. This is the type of images you can generate with black and white logos. So let's copy the prompt. Let's say to generate a logo of a compass and a mountain. So not one or the other, but both, to see how good it actually generates a little more difficult logos, so to say. Oh my god, I love how it's looking already. It's only 62% and it's already really pretty. These are good. Okay, I literally got a Paramount logo as the first one, but I really like the third one as well. Please upscale this time. Please work. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my god. If you tweak this, you can delete, you can delete the white background, you can tweak this, and you can actually make it into a good logo. Obviously, it's not like perfect, because I see it's not symmetrical, even like the trees in the foreground aren't symmetrical. But if you like something like this, the design that it generates, you can easily send this to like a professional designer, and they can redesign it to the way that you want, and to make it look professional, and to make it look actually symmetrical in some sort of ways. But in general, yes, this fits the expectations. I'm really impressed. This one is like a well 6 out of 10, I think. 6 to 7 out of 10, this one. I'm really impressed. So the last AI prompt that I have for you today is actually the most expensive one. Is the $20 product mockups enhance AI prompt for Midjourney. And this one promises to deliver great product pictures like you see here, of people holding the product with their hands over some sort of background of different colors. And this looks really nice. Like if you want to sell such a service on Fiverr, if you generate product mockups for your clients on Fiverr, this is actually a really good way to make money using AI if the product actually turns out to be good. So let's generate it using Midjourney. I'll just paste the prompt into Midjourney, and this is so funny actually. As you can see on the final result, the hands actually look pretty good. Wait, what is this on this bottom hand? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? 5 fingers. Okay, 1 finger just behind the kettle lid. But okay, okay. So the obvious problem with this is that on the first picture and on the third picture, the hands look really weird. On the fourth picture, on the last one, the kettle looks really weird. It has a weird side handle on the right, and it has a weird black handle on the top, and the kettle doesn't look like a kettle. But the second image actually looks quite nice, and I'm pretty sure if you play around with this prompt quite a lot, you can actually get quite good image results. And it looks really realistic as well, and the hands turned out to be much better than expected, because AIs usually struggle with hands. I can rate this a 9 out of 10. The images do turn out to be nice, and it's definitely applicable in a business scenario, for example, to create product mockups for your own business, or to sell such mockups on Fiverr. I can rate this an 8 out of 10, not a 10 out of 10, just because of the really high $20 price, which I don't think it's worth it in general. But the surprise for everyone who watched the entire video through, or skipped ahead, is actually I'm gonna post all these prompts down below into the description so you can try them yourself and use them for your own businesses. They're not going to be exactly the prompts that I used in this video, because I don't want to give out paid prompts for free, not to get sued. Nevertheless, I'm going to tweak these prompts a little bit based on what I think is best. In general, they'll give the same result as I showed in the video today, but if you want to play around with them, check the link in the description. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, watch this one next. Here I wake up at 5 AM for 7 days straight, and it's my favorite video on this channel, so take a look. I'll be really happy to see you there. Bye.